In this video, I am going to show you how to improve video quality during your YouTube TV free trial. If you're experiencing blurry or low quality streams, these tips will help you enjoy a better viewing experience. Let's get started. To improve video quality on YouTube TV, start by checking your internet connection. Streaming in HD requires a stable speed of at least 13 megabits per second for optimal performance. If your connection is slow, restart your router or switch to a wired connection for better stability. Next, open the YouTube TV app or website and go to the video player settings. Look for the gear icon during playback and select the highest available resolution, such as 1080p or 4K if supported. Close any other apps or devices using your bandwidth to prioritize streaming. Additionally, ensure your device or smart TV is updated to the latest software version for the best compatibility. If this video helped you learn how to improve video quality during your YouTube TV free trial, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.